So this Andromeda knife by Artisan Cutlery was sent to me for review. And this knife has a powder steel blade that's got good corrosion resistance and wear resistance. It's a rust-proof blade. And you can see it's just a pretty blade. It comes super sharp. It's got a G10 handle that has, of course, your pocket clip on there. And you can unscrew the pocket clip if you want to remove it. But it's just this really nice long handle. Now this knife is a little bit longer than some of their other knives. The blade itself is about 3.5 inches, and the total length of the knife is almost 8 inches. So it is a little long. So if you're looking for something really small for inside your pocket, this might be a little too long for that. But for an adult hand size, it's actually a really good size, and it fits in your hand really well. Now, of course, to open it, you've got the button here, and it's made for a right-handed. It opens really easily, and then it locks in place, so it's nice and stiff on there. If you want to use it as a lefty, obviously you still can. You just do it with your pointer finger instead. And the sad thing is this is hard for me, but I'm left-handed. They just make everything for right-handed people, and so I've learned to do things like this with my right hand. So it's really comfortable for a right-hander, but can work for a lefty as well. You just use your pointer finger. Really sharp blade, really useful if you're an outdoorsman, if you do hiking, camping, biking, cycling, anything like that. Biking and cycling is the same thing. You know what I mean. Anything outdoorsy, it's going to be great, but it's also just good for regular use. And it also comes with this little pouch. Again, it's a long knife. It's a big knife, and so it has a big pouch that you can use it for. It's a great knife. Go ahead and check it out.